Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to bulk upload videos in your Facebook page. So you have to go to your Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page account, not your regular general Facebook account. How you can check this? You have to go to this top right corner account option. This one, the profile icon. Click on this and you'll find here your name and your Facebook page name. You have to choose the right Facebook page name, then it will switch to your Facebook page account. Okay, then you have to click on this Meta Business Suite. Click on this. Now you have to click on this more option, you drop down menu, and choose bulk upload videos. Click on this, and then you have to click on add videos, and now you have to choose your videos from here or from your computer, like this one, and you can add multiple videos like this. Okay, now you have to click on publish. If you click on publish, your multiple videos will be published as a bulk videos. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.